All right, the last little bit here, it's just another area formula, just kind of like the last one that we did for 3-4 when we did law of sines, but this time it's if we only know the side lengths, we can find the area. The last one we had to know one of the angle measures. So it's pretty straightforward. The area is equal to the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s is just a plus b plus c divided by 2. So we calculate s first and then just plug everything in, and it really takes care of itself. So it's pretty straightforward. You know, don't even really need a picture for this, but if you wanted to, you certainly could. But the first thing you want to do is find s, so, or calculate s. So s equals, so the parentheses here are important, making sure that you add all these up first and then divide by 2. And you should always get like a nice, either most of the time get an integer or a neat decimal, so it shouldn't be anything crazy where you need to worry about rounding or anything like that. But of course, just watch your typing. If you mess up s, then everything else gets messed up too. So let's see what we get for s. And I got 84. And then the s is just a random letter they picked. It's nothing specific about this, and it's not like a specific side or anything like that for the triangles. So it's not 84 centimeters. I think that's just 84. So then the area equals, so the square root of 84 times 84 minus a, or whatever, 43, times 84 minus b times 84 minus c. So you can type it in just like that if you want to, or if you wanted to do some of the simplifying in your head and make it a little easier to type in, you might want to do that. So 84 times, that would be 41 times 31 times 12. So just make sure that's all under there. If you need to use parentheses, depending on how old your calculator is, make sure you do that. And it says round to the nearest hundredth as we do this, so let's see what we get. So I got 1131.89 centimeters squared. That is an area, so watch those units. But should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Next one, just we hadn't talked about through this just since I'm not there to help you guys, but same idea. You're buying a triangular piece of fabric that's priced per square yard, so it's priced by the area. Fabric has side lengths of 3 feet, 4 feet, and 6 feet, and how much will it cost you? So if you wanted to, you can think of, A equals 3, and B equals 4, and C equals 6. We would need to think about it that way. But we want to start off by finding S. So that'd be equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6, all divided by 2, which would be 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5. So then the area would be the square root of 6.5 times 6.5 minus 3, which would be 3.5, times 6.5 minus 4, which would be 2.5, and then times 6.5 minus 6, which would be 0.5. So I'm going to plug that into my calculator here. So that gives me 5.33, dot, dot, dot. And so that's going to be square feet. Or feet squared, right? Well, the fabric is priced per square yard. So this is square feet, so can't price it off of that. So don't make the mistake, thinking that there's 3 square feet in a square yard, right? There's actually 9 square feet in a square yard. So a yard would be 3 feet by 3 feet. So how many square feet would be in a square yard? There'd be 9 of them. And so to get how many square yards there are, we need to divide this by 9. So that means the area would equal, so it's about 0.59 square yards. So all I do is hit the just divided by 9, so I took my answer and then divided by 9. So there's some, a bunch of decimals there I'm not getting rid of, I'm just not writing them down. So they are still there on my calculator. And so now I'm going to take that answer without doing any rounding or anything like that. I'm just going to take that answer and I'm going to take it times 50, because that's the price per square yard. So times 50. And that'll give us our cost or our price. And since it's money, we'll round that to the nearest hundredth. So I got $29.63. So nothing crazy there. Pretty easy to find the area given all 3 sides. But hopefully that went well, and I'll so you guys have the homework assignments there on Schoology on the assignment list. And so you guys have the rest of the day to work on that, and then Wednesday we'll have basically just be a work day for that. So and then on Thursday and Friday we'll start working on the unit circle. So we'll have time to chat and catch up on Wednesday. Hope you guys have a good day.